Nearly 1/3 of the electricity used in buildings is consumed even when they're empty. In a world striving for sustainability, that number shouldn't exist. Hello, we're Sentinel Systems, a team of high school students striving to take responsibility and manage electricity wastage one space at a time. My name is Anushka.
I'm Maya.
My name is Shravya.
And I am Dinesh.
We're from Indus International School, located in Hyderabad, India.
Electricity wastage in unoccupied rooms is a widespread yet often overlooked environmental and economic problem. Across schools, offices, and commercial spaces, lights and appliances continue running even when no one is present. Studies suggest that nearly 30% of a room's electricity can be consumed while unoccupied, contributing to over 20 million metric tons of carbon dioxide emissions annually and $50 billion in preventable energy costs. The issue here is not visibility, we can clearly see when lights are left turned on, but rather accountability. At that moment, no single person is responsible for turning them off.
Existing solutions today rely heavily on motion sensors, infrared detectors, and timer-based systems. While widely adopted, these solutions detect movement, not presence. If someone sits still during a class or meeting, the system may fail to recognize occupancy. These systems operate on pre-programmed assumptions rather than real-time intelligence, making them difficult to generalize across different environments. They require additional hardware, periodic maintenance, and still lack accuracy in dynamic settings such as schools and offices. Clearly, the industry is competing in a crowded space, adding hardware instead of intelligence. However, our solution takes a different approach. Instead of installing new hardware, we leverage existing infrastructure, CCTV systems.
The system is powered by a machine learning model that analyzes real-time CCTV footage using YOLO V8, a convolutional neural network that is specialized in object detection, deployed on a Raspberry Pi. The model continuously scans the footage to detect human presence and outputs either true, meaning person detected, or false, meaning no person detected. When the system detects no human presence for 3 continuous minutes, the Raspberry Pi sends a Wi-Fi signal to Node MCU, which activates a relay circuit to switch off lights and appliances within the electrical panel room. This allows the system to function effectively even in buildings that rely on manual electrical systems. In buildings with automated electrical infrastructure, the same detection system can be integrated seamlessly with smart controllers and building management systems, making the solution highly adaptable across different environments. When human presence is detected, no signal is sent, allowing normal manual switch operation to continue through a built-in override option. To validate this approach, we built a working prototype.
Here we demonstrate our model using a live camera feed. As you can see, the ML model detects human presence in real time. When a person is visible, the system outputs true. Once the room becomes vacant, a 3-minute timer begins. If no one re-enters during that period, the system continuously outputs false and sends a signal to deactivate connected appliances.
All processing occurs locally. We do not use facial recognition and no video footage is stored. The system generates only a binary occupancy signal.
The dominant market players today, such as PIR-based sensor systems, compete for hardware solutions. They position themselves as cost-effective and privacy-friendly, but in reality remain limited by motion dependency. Sentinel Systems shifts the proposition from hardware expansion to intelligent optimization by using machine learning analysis of existing CCTV networks instead of installing additional sensors. Our primary market includes highly surveyed environments, particularly schools, universities, and offices, where CCTV infrastructure is already widespread and energy consumption and wastage are significant. From there, we expand into corporate offices, banks, and commercial complexes. Because our solution builds on existing CCTV networks and only requires lightweight edge devices, deployment is simple and scalability becomes significantly easier than traditional sensor-based competitors.
We redesigned how occupancy detection works. We eliminate motion-only dependency and reduce the need for manual intervention and maintenance. At the same time, we raise detection accuracy and system reliability through machine learning-powered CCTV intelligence instead of simple movement triggers, allowing us to work with the natural classroom or office environment rather than against it. We create something entirely new, cross-room intelligence and real-time analytics transforming individual rooms into a cohesive, intelligent system.
By automating energy decisions at the level of individual rooms, our systems can reduce electricity wastage by up to 30%. Significantly lowering costs and our carbon footprint. For ease of usage and implementation, our system is built on existing systems, enabling its use in every setting from individual classrooms to entire campuses and office networks. As surveillance systems become increasingly common, Sentinel Visions positions itself not just as an energy-saving tool, but as a foundation for smarter, more sustainable buildings.